Indian media alleges that Dr. Zakir Naik is supporting terrorism and is involved in terrorism because the link of Islamic Research Foundation is found on the website of Hafiz Saeed, that Jamaatud. Just because the link of my organization, IRF, Islamic Research Foundation, is found on the website of Hafiz Saeed, of his organization, Jamaatud, that does not mean that I am linked to him. If on my website, IRF, his name was there, encouraging him, or if my link was there to his organization, then you could have made this allegation. But just because he has put the link of my organization, that does not mean that I support him. So just because he has put the link of IRF on his website, in no way does it mean that I'm supporting him. In no way does it mean that I'm supporting terrorism. This is an allegation and I disagree.